Bowman Blaster, 10 box, random team number 19. Good luck to everyone. We're going to roll the dice. It's a 27 spot break. Out of toner? I would have been so mad. 7 on the dice roll. 7. Go to the teams first. 27 spots it should be. Yes. Sweet. 7. Mariners at the top. Giants at the bottom. Jimmy down to T-Mac. Let me alphabetize if you need any spots. If you need any trades, let me know. There you go. Let's put the combos in there. Marlins. Marlins was the D-backs, I believe. Yep. Purple Sun. St. Louis. Do you guys like St. Louis's City Connect jerseys? Gucci that goes to, and the last team was the Padres. The Lou on the St. Louis jerseys. Interesting. I kind of like the colorway. I think the colorway is pretty cool. Sorry. Cardinals is Gucci for the Tigers. San Diego. Hold on here. What did I do? Guy, and then the last team was the Marlins. Thank you. That's what I want. Perfect. That's what you guys are looking at. Let's open some cards. Oh wow, they're in the box so weird. Oh, what a save. What a save from Ott. Yeah, right? Or Balboni, like one of the two. Someone who's running it. He would know. Good luck, everyone. Here we go. Box of 10 boxes of Bowman blasters. Good luck, everyone. Here we go. Gotta check all papers. These are the blasters. Lunar Glow Churio. Oh, why'd you do us like that, Topps? Base Cerna there. Thought we were going to see something funky. Funky, funky. Ladies and gentlemen, we need the Timberwolves to make some sort of push. Not fun. Purple paper piece, Duno. Power play?
No.
Okay, sweet.
I'm in McDavid Bouchard, shocker.
If you need some more HCA for something, there's a case in the IG room.
Okay.
A seal case on the show.
Okay. Jordan says, no, we don't. I was like, what did I say again? The T-Wolves. Jordan, not going for the T-Wolves, huh? Let's keep rolling here. Jenkins base. They are so electric right now, Jordan. I would be shaking in my boots if I had to go play against them. Down 3-0. Kyrie's so different right now, Aaron. He's not normal Kyrie. He's just like, he's so locked in. He's so locked in. He's so mature, by the way. When did Kyrie get mature? I thought I remembered Kyrie as like a little child, just being like so. Just behavior was like Antonio Brown reminded me of. Not recently. Another goal. Bro, Kyrie is so different right now. There's something very strange about him. So different. Two 0. Who scored that last one? Oh, I see McDavid on the ice, so it's probably first liner. It's always the first line. Salas out of 150 on the blue paper. Probably Hyman. Hyman just posts up in front of the net every time. Gifted a goal every time. McDavid, nice. I got McDavid, I got Ekholm. What's up, Super? What's up, Bowflex? How are you, brother? Close enough to be your ghost. Nice. Ekholm assist, probably. Well, hockey assist. Now, if we've seen anything from this year's playoffs, it is holding any goal lead in the playoffs has just been, don't count your chickens before they hatch. It has been pretty scary if you're in the lead. If you bet money on the team that is in the lead, I would be a little cautious, because that is just what it's been all freaking postseason, man. Edmonton was up 3-0 that other game when they clawed back at 3-2, and it was like everyone on the edge of their seat. Purple piece of Lasco. No way, dude. That is amazing. That's Chad. I said he's got to win a ring to start his Hall of Fame campaign at some point. I don't want him to get too old. He reminds me so much of, like, LeBron. Except McDavid hopefully won't get traded. I think he should stay in Edmonton. I think he'll be an Oiler for the rest of his life, honestly. But it's like LeBron. Like, the guy's the best in the world, but he just can't quite get it done before. This is before he actually got it done. When he was on the move all those years. But it's like, all right, we all know, like, LeBron was going to get one. It's like, when is he going to get one? It's like, we all know McDavid's going to get one. When is he going to get one? We all think he should get one. I think he should. Rangers-Oilers. I have a parlay ticket with Oilers beating the Rangers, and then another ticket with the Rangers beating the Oilers. If I said it, whatever way I said it. Oilers over Rangers and Rangers over Oilers. But I'm kind of scared for the Rangers. I know they got the job done last night, but that's going to be a tight series. I think that series goes to 7. Speckle of Drew Jones at a $2.99 for the Diamondbacks. That was 10 boxes. Let's give you the recap. Best 10 boxes of the blaster. Let's give you the recap. Lasco, Duno, Salas out of 150, Walker Jenkins base, Drew Jones out of 299, and a Ryan Lasco auto for Oakland going to Thump. Thump, thump. 24 Bowman Blaster 10 box random team number 19. Thank you.